Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
We will explain you all about management. Before that, we will introduce ourselves. And I am Sevandrio Alsabila Bintang Putra, and my partner is.
Hi, I'm Sarah Jamil.
Here, we will explain you all about definition of management, definition according to professional of management, function of management, resources of management, type of management, and the last is conclusion. And I will explain a definition of management. Management is essential for an organized life and necessary for running all form of organization. Good management is the backbone of successful organization. Managing life means getting things done to achieve life goals, and managing an organization means getting things done with and through other people to achieve their goals.
And next is definition according to professional. There is F. Tyler. He said that management is the art of knowing what to do, when to do it, and seeing that it is done in the best and cheapest way. Next is Prajudi Atmosudirjo. He said that management is doing something by moving people, money, machines, and tools according to need. And Harold Kuhn said that management is the art of getting things done and with people in formally organized groups. It is the art of creating an environment where people can perform and are individual and can work together towards the achievement of group goals.
And this is function of management. Function of management, there is four. Is PYC. The first is planning, organizing, evaluating, and controlling. Planning is ongoing process to make current entrepreneurial decision systematically and with the best knowledge of the future. Systematically organizing the efforts required to carry out this decision and measuring the result of this decision against explanation through organized and systematic feedback. And organizing a business means providing everything that is useful for its function, namely raw material, equipment, capital, and personnel. And activating the managerial function in staffing involves managing the organizational structure through the selection, appraisal, and development of appropriate and effective personnel to fill the roles designed in the structure. And the last, controlling. Controlling is the measurement and correction of the subordinate performance activities to ensure that the goals and plans the company wants to achieve are achieved.
So, in management, there are 6 main resources. First is a man. This is the most important and most decisive factor. Humans who have desires, humans who set goals, and humans also carry out the process. And second is money. The company's operational activities require money. Firm value is also measured in money, and even bankrupt companies need money. Money becomes important, then knowledge is needed to regulate financial management so that all activities run smoothly. Money does need to be regulated. Its use must be directed, calculated carefully, and rationally to minimize the risk of failure to achieve goals. And third is material. Material is an important management element. Without materials, companies cannot produce, cannot operate. And fourth is machine. Machine can cut time in the production process. It is faster, more efficient, and the resulting output can be more than human labor. The resulting quality is more even and consistent. Mistakes that may occur can be suppressed, and more importantly, production costs can be much reduced. Fifth is a method. The working method in management is really needed, so the existing work mechanism runs effectively and efficiently. We are usually familiar with the name SOP or operational standard. And last is market. The market is a company's main source of income. Another problem is how to maintain a market that has been controlled from the realm of competitors, talking about research, marketing strategies, quality, quantity, price according to customer tastes, and purchasing power are things that need to be explored in this matter.
There is many type of management. The one is strategic management. Strategic management looks at an organization's overall strategy formation and execution with the goal of growing and sustaining competitive advantage. Strategic management is an executive function that may report to the owner of firm. 2 is sales management. Management of sales, territories, teams, or accounts. And 3, marketing management. Management of marketing strategies, products, brands, and promotions.
And next is public relation, that is managing communications between an organization and the public. Fifth is operation management, the management of production of goods and services. Operations management is a broad field that describes everything from manufacturing management to retail management. Next is supply chain management, that managing the process of moving a product or service from supplier to customer.
Yeah. 7 is procurement management, managing the acquisition of goods and services from external sources. 8 is financial and accounting management, managing financial and accounting processes and teams. 9 is human resource management, responsible for attracting, hiring, training, compensating, rewarding, and managing the performance of employees. Human resource plays a key role forming and overseeing an organization culture.
And next is information technology management, that managing information technology teams and processes. 11 is R&D management. It is the management of research and development processes and teams. 12 is engineering management, that managing the application of engineering to business solutions. For example, new product development, manufacturing, and construction.
And the 13, there is program management. Program management is the management of an ongoing portfolio of projects. And 14, project management is the planning, organization, and control of projects. And the 15, risk management is the discipline of identifying, assessing, and controlling the change that objective and processes will have negative consequences.
In the 16 is innovation management. The management of innovation processes such as strategy, research and development, or organizational change. 17 is quality management. The management of quality, planning, control, assurance, and improvement. 18, change management. Change management applies a structured approach to business change. The goal of change management is to help organizations and teams to make smooth transition to target state.
And 19, there is design management, the management of design processes such as new product design. And 20, there is facility management, the management of facilities such as office and data centers. And the last, knowledge management. Knowledge management enables the identification, creation, representation, distribution, and use of knowledge. In a knowledge-driven economy, this has become a critical field.
And that was our presentation related to management. Then from there, we make a conclusion that management is the science and art of bringing people together to achieve their desired goals and objectives by coordinating and integrating all available resources efficiently and effectively. So this is our presentation this time. We will talk about company structure in the next video. So wait for us in the next weeks and hope you guys enjoy. Bye-bye.